Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Horton number C4126 mounting bracket gear train assembly. And this video is to serve as visual evidence of what you get when you purchase this, along with some dimensional evidence as well. Get it all out of the packaging here. This is for the 4000 series Hercules Swinger mounting bracket and gear train assembly. A whole mess of pieces included here. Rubber mounts. There'll be 4 of them, along with four of these bolts as well. A variety of miscellaneous fasteners, lock washers, standard washers, a couple of rubber washers as well. Then your brackets, obviously, and let's take some dimensional properties of that material. Okay, this bracket, this mounting bracket, about 5 1/4 overall length. Overall depth to the end of the flange, about 1.5 inches. The base is 1 1/8 inches. Overall height, about 4 inches. Center line on these 2 holes, those mounting holes, about 4 3/8. Yeah, 4 5/16. This carriage bracket, overall length, about 5 1/4. Center line as well, about 4 5/16. Overall height, about 2.5 inches. Overall width, about 3 11/16. And the overall depth, about 1.5 inches. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Horton products that we sell, these 2 mounting points, about 5/8 over to about 2 3/4. All the Horton products that we sell, a link to the manufacturer's catalog and their website. Any questions on the Horton C4126 mounting bracket gear train assembly or any other Horton product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.